If you want to make an extra $10,000 a month working just an hour a day, keep watching. This is the simplest, fastest way I know to create a six-figure income without quitting your day job. Whether you're completely new to online business or you've tried before and got stuck, I'm about to show you exactly how this works. The truth is, most people think making $10,000 a month online is complicated, takes tons of time, or requires expert skills. But that's simply not true anymore. Thanks to advances in technology, especially AI, combined with a proven strategy, it's now easier than ever to build a real six-figure part-time income from home. I call it the six-figure part-timer blueprint, a system anyone can follow and get results with. I'm Greg Davis. I've been building online businesses for over 25 years, generating tens of millions of dollars in sales. But more importantly than that, I've helped hundreds of people escape the 9 to 5 grind and make serious income part-time. And now I want to teach you step by step how to do the exact same thing. I've gotten some incredible results for my clients, like Michael, who made $300,000 in 2 months, or David, who made $1.1 million in 2 months, or Margie, who generated just under $1 million in 3 months. These were people with no prior experience, and using my system, they were able to make over six figures per month in their spare time. That's why I'm confident that I can help you make six figures per year in only 1 hour per day. Here's what you're going to learn: the exact business model that makes these numbers possible, and the simple two-step system that produces these incredible results. Stay until the end, and I'll reveal how you can leverage AI to handle 95% of the work, making it easier than ever to launch and run a profitable business, even if you have no prior experience. According to Forbes, over 60% of corporate workers in 2025 want to leave their jobs, but only 9% have a plan. Most are stuck in analysis paralysis, too scared to start, too burnt out to explore. Why are so many people unsuccessful when it comes to part-time online business? The first problem is lack of time, and most ways to earn additional income take a lot of time. The six-figure part-timer blueprint solves this problem. If you can squeeze out an hour a day, you can make 10K plus per month. Another major problem is not knowing where to start and being uncertain about what works. There's so much information out here, it gets overwhelming. After 25 years and hundreds of successful students, I know exactly what works. I've boiled it down to a simple two-step system, the two-lane profit system. Following this system makes it simple for anyone, even without online business experience, to get great results. Now, I know that a lot of people have been burned before, but you can't drag your past failures into the present. Look at those as learning experiences to bring you to this point. Don't give up your dream of financial freedom just because you haven't succeeded in the past. You didn't have me back then. You didn't have the six-figure part-timer blueprint. This time will be different because you have the right system. You'll know exactly what to do and when, so you eliminate the guesswork. Look, I know exactly how you feel. It took me 7 years to get to the point where I could quit my job and live comfortably from my online business. You name it, I tried it and failed miserably over and over again. But my pain is your gain. Through all that, I figured out the best way to get into profit fast and greatly accelerate the time it takes to become financially independent. That's why my clients have been able to make so much money so quickly. So what's the business model that makes this all possible? It's called high-ticket affiliate marketing. Here's how it works. You get a unique link, kind of like your own special referral code. When someone clicks your link and buys a product, you earn a commission, real money deposited right into your account. You don't have to create a product, handle customers, or manage inventory. You just send people to the link and get paid. Why high ticket? Most people think you have to sell tons of cheap products to make good money. That's exhausting and slow. Here's the better way: high ticket affiliate marketing. Instead of earning a few dollars per sale, you can earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars for every sale with the same amount of effort. So just a few sales can add up to serious income quickly. The next question you should be asking is, how do I get people to click on my link? In the six-figure part-timer blueprint, we show you how to place ads on Facebook and Instagram to get interested people to click on your link. You're actually going through the process right now. You were scrolling, saw an ad that caught your attention, something about making money, and you clicked on it. Now you're watching this training, learning about the product. A certain percentage of people that watch this training will end up buying the product. That's how you get paid. Your only job is to place an ad that gets people interested enough to click on your affiliate link. You don't have to deal with any customers, inventory, returns, anything like that. You don't even have to create the ads. AI will do it for you. And in some cases, we even give you the ads. High ticket affiliate marketing is step one of the two-lane profit system. Lane one, you use Facebook and Instagram ads to generate high ticket commissions, immediate big payouts per sale. Lane two, you use those same ads to generate residual monthly commissions from a partner company, giving you income that keeps coming month after month. No extra effort required. Lane two can easily grow into a six-figure income stream on its own, and it's passive income that comes in regardless if you work or not. This two-lane profit system is why you can realistically earn a six-figure income in as little as an hour a day. The other thing that makes this possible is AI. AI literally does 95% of the work, which frees you up to focus on what matters, growing your income and your freedom. To make sure you don't have to guess or struggle, we've built a complete step-by-step system, the six-figure part-timer blueprint, that walks you through exactly what to do. It includes live coaching, done-for-you ad templates, all the AI prompts, and even a personal success manager to guide you every step of the way. But the best way to understand how this works is for you to see it in action. So here's what I want you to do next. Click the button below this video to schedule a small group demo. In this demo, I'll walk you through the system, answer your questions, and show you exactly how you can start building your part-time income on your own terms. There's no pressure, just real honest guidance. If you're ready to change your financial future, let's get you started today. Sign up for one of these demo slots before they fill up. We like to keep the groups very small and they tend to fill up fast. Thank you for your time and attention, and I'll see you on the demo.